Okay, so I just did, I don't know, 8 screws with this thing. The only negative feedback I'm having is I'm catching the catch sometimes. So that's the part that ratchets. Hey, it's turning away from me. As you turn it around, right, that goes down. So this is how you flip it from 3 different positions, you know, forward, backward, and just fixed screwdriver. And what I was doing is I would either when I was doing in T mode, as it moved down, I would catch it and switch it over, or I'd switch it in the middle mode so it's fixed screwdriver, or I just hold it down in order to catch on the side of my finger because it's so tiny as a feature, as the design. You don't really have a way to grip it in T, I was doing, without my finger kind of getting in the way of that mechanism there. And I was either snagging it and keeping it disengaged so it just spins freely, or I was flipping into a direction I didn't want it to do, which again, probably isn't a design issue with the larger one because you probably have more real estate. And I didn't have this issue when I was going down on a normal screwdriver. I'm working sideways in a narrow space with gloves, and I kept nagging that with my middle finger, I believe. So that's my only feedback. It's not a hard problem to fix. It's really easy just to switch in the direct mode. It was just slow me down, me wondering what was happening. And it is user error, so it's definitely how I was gripping holding it. But for the most part, I really appreciated in these really awkward spaces, it's hard to get a grip, how many different ways I could hold this thing to grip and hang on to provide the torque I needed. And it got all the screws in. So that's my only flaw I've seen so far. Is just, again, it's micro, so there's not a whole lot of places to hold. You just gotta be careful not to be bumping the mechanism with a finger or holding it down. So there you go, buddy. Thanks for watching.